Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let me show you how to make delicious Nigerian fish pie. And to see how I make this delicious fish pie, watch this video till the end and don't skip any part of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and also share this video. So to start without wasting much time, in a clean bowl, pour and mix in your flour and make sure you always sieve your flour to remove any lumps. Then add a pinch of salt, add your baking powder, your sugar, then add your nutmeg. For nutmeg it is optional, you can skip it. Then go ahead and use your spatula to mix your dried ingredients together. After that, add in your unsalted butter, then use your hand to mix and combine everything together until it forms crumbs. So next, add in your beat egg, and for this recipe I'm using only one raw egg. And after that, add in your liquid milk, or you can use water instead of liquid milk. Go ahead and use your spatula to mix until all the flour mix comes together. So once you form a thick dough, cover with a cling film or your kitchen towel, then place it in your fridge and let it rest for about an hour. So to prepare your fish pie filling, you need all these ingredients. Here I have my chopped spring onion, chopped onion, diced carrot, diced Irish potato. I have here powdered black pepper. I have cornstarch, which will serve as a thickener. I have dried parsley leaf, diced red bell pepper. I also have here my thyme, powdered curry, seasoning cube, salt and my mackerel fish. So go ahead and pour in your cleaned mackerel fish in your pan. Add dried thyme, salt, curry powder and your chopped onion. Add some water to it, then cover it and allow it to boil for 6 minutes. Then 6 minutes later, take out your fish from the heat. Drain the excess water, let it cool down, then debone it. And after that, place a dried pan on the heat, spray some vegetable oil, let it heat up, then add in your chopped onions, stir fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So 4 minutes later, add in your well cooked deboned mackerel fish, stir it with your spatula continuously, and while stirring you can also spray some vegetable oil if it is needed. Stir fry your fish for at least 5 minutes, and after that add in your diced Irish potato, your diced pepper, diced carrot, then add in your seasonings. Here I have curry powder, thyme, salt, chicken stock cube, dried parsley leaf. Add your black pepper, then use your spatula to stir to make everything together. So next, add in your fish stock water and also your cornstarch to help to thicken your fillings. And after that, use your spatula to mix everything together, then cover it and let it cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, go ahead and check on your fish pie filling. Add in your chopped spring onion, then give it a quick stir, and after that take it off the heat and let it cool down. So 1 hour later, take out your dough, place it on your rolling mat or any clean dried surface, Use your cutter to divide the dough into 4 portions. Let's take out one portion of the cut dough, place it on your rolling mat, then use your rolling pin to roll the dough until you flatten the dough. So once you are done flattening your dough, scoop 2 tablespoons of your fillings on the edge of your flattened dough, then use the other edge to cover it. Use a round plate shape to shape your dough. In case if you have a meat pie cutter, you can use it to cut your dough. Next, use a fork to press down all around the folded edge. So guys, this is what my fish pie look like after shaping it. You can give your fish pie any shape of your choice, and repeat the same process with the rest of the dough until you finish everything. So after you are done shaping your fish pie, place an anti-dry pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. After that, start dropping in your fish pie gently. Once you are done adding in your fish pie in your hot oil, let it fry for about 5 minutes on a low medium heat. And once you are done frying for 5 minutes, flip the other side and let it fry for another 5 more minutes or until they turn golden brown. And once you are done frying your meat pie, take them off the heat, place it on your kitchen towel to drain the excess oil on them. After that, repeat the same process with the remaining of your fish pie. Once you are done frying your fish pie, serve and enjoy while it is still hot. As you can see in the video, my fish pie came out nice and delicious. And please tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please support my channel by clicking on that subscription button, like and share this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.